Okay, let's begin with our webinar. This is basically a module that we have, that VNC has developed specifically to resolve the stock valuation and stock controlling methods like FIFO, LIFO, and FIFO. Just logging in into my database, and we can see from the settings modules we have the stock control flow modules that we have built. This module is installed now into our system. We're just going to use the functionality of this module. So first we will configure some products that will help us in demoing the flow. We are first going to configure some products that will work according to this flow. I'm just creating first product. I'm just giving the convenient name to the products. So say FIFO product, just to demonstrate the FIFO method. So giving a reference name FIFO. Setting the costing methods here, so we can have it FIFO, LIFO, EFO. Just assigning it to a FIFO. Creating a new one. LIFO product. Just giving it. Okay, just giving it a name now to LIFO as a reference number. Setting costing type LIFO. Saving it. Creating one more product for EFO. Just giving it a name EFO. EFO. Setting to EFO. Now we are also going to demo a manufacturing part as well. So we are going to create one more product for manufacturing. Just say create in a product for manufacturing. Let's call it finished product. Then you can keep any costing method with this product, keeping it FIFO, and I'm just changing the consumer product type to the stocking. And we can either make it to a stock or we can produce it. So I'm just keeping it produce. Okay. Now we are going to make a bill of material for this product as well. I'm just going to bill of material section, create bill of material using the existing products that we used. Next, FIFO product, FIFO. And also going to define a routine, because based on our routine we can have the manufacturing cost assigned. So I'm just opening up the predefined routine. We have short assembly line which has an assembly workshop that works on. And you can see the cost per hour is 10 and cost per hour is 5. So we can set the costing of manufacturing using these parameters. Okay, now we are going to do some purchase and some sale afterwards so that we can know the exact flow. If there is a still sound problem, anyone, please raise your hand. Okay, seems like sound is doing good. Okay, so we have made this bill of material now as well. Now we are going to make some purchase orders. I'm going to create some purchase orders. Let's say if my first purchase order is on 1st of July with the supplier, VNC supplier. I'm going to buy all these three products at once so we don't have to create multiple purchase orders. I'm just buying first product. It's a FIFO product in around 40 quantity and unit price is around 300. LIFO product around 50 and quantity, sorry, weight is 400 and E4 product in quantity 30, unit price is 300. So we are buying all these three products in one go. So we have this reception created here. Just going to receive the products, picking, processing, picking. Now here we are going to accept this product using some lot number scheme. We are just going to accept using the lot number. Creating this automated lot number. So we are just using the default OpenERP functionality of creating a lot number. Saving it. Just default. I'm just using the default lot numbers. So you can see here we have assigned these three lot numbers. This incoming products validated. Now I am creating one more purchase order using the same product set but on a different date. I'm now buying it on the 5th of July from the same supplier, creating the same set of product but in a different quantity and pricing. We are buying this product on this scheduled date, converting this purchase order. Again I am going to receive these products from incoming shipments, processing it in the same way. Now here we can either add the same product sets into the existing lots or we can create a new lot each time. So for the moment I am just creating a new lot for the products. So you can see here I can either create from this one or I can create a new lot. We have received the products in 3 lots now. So we have, if you go to the product section, we can see this products quantity 70, 70 and 80. If I print a stock register for these products, we have made a kind of customized report for this one. It's called stock register report. So in this report, so you can see in this report we have received this FIFO product. The product is FIFO. The cost method is also FIFO here denoted. On which date we received, what was the quantity, what's the rate, what's the amount, and what's the reference lot number. So we received these product in 2 lots. What's the balancing amount? So the last column will always show the cumulative balances. Now, this will work for, like, this report work for all type of cost products, and also at the end it has also the cost price of outward goods that we will see next. So you can see the stock register for the FIFO product as well. Now we are coming back to OpenERP. Now we are going to sell some of these products. So I'm just going to make a sell order. I'm just selling it to a customer. And yeah, we're going to sell it on the 7th. Just going to select the first product, FIFO. We are selling 50 quantity. Unit price is 500. Then we're going to sell LIFO product, which is 50 quantity, but unit price is 600. And we are also adding the FIFO product, which we are going to sell in quantity of 50. Unit price is 500. Close it. We are confirming the sale order. Now this has a delivery order now. Now, as per the rules of FIFO, the first incoming product would be going out in the lot number schemes. So all the FIFO and FIFO or a LIFO product would be assigned or set as outgoing product as per their lot numbers and as per their product scheme. If I click on process, you can see here there's 2 lines for the product. FIFO product, which is 40 from the lot number 1, and 10 which is for lot number 4, which is for this order we need 50 products. So it has taken it from 2 lots. So here it's a 50 quantity which will be splitted from 2 lots. Same with the LIFO, it would be taken first from the last lot, which was 5 for that product, and 20 quantity has been taken from the second lot. For FIFO, it will be taken from the highest priced lot number, will be taken from the 3rd one, and this quantity will be taken from the 6th one. So if I validate it, all the move lines will be created with the lot number regarding the lot number. So now if we go to the product reports for the FIFO, FIFO and a LIFO product. Stock register report. So you can see here the stock register report. Now this report also contains the receipt of a product, issued product, along with a GP percentage, gross profit percentage for that lot number. This is something which is very important if you consider lot wise GP or if you calculate lot wise GP, and this is balanced from this lot. For all the products we have this calculation, and we can see the cost price of outwards goods, what was the quantity, what was the cost price and total and reference of a lot number. So for every product or every type of product, FIFO or LIFO or even FIFO, here we can also see the GP for the product. So for the FIFO, LIFO as well. So we can see here for this lot number 5, 30 quantity has came in. So we first issued this 30 quantity from this lot number, and for the rest of the quantity we issued from the lot number 2, which was here. So this will follow a strict LIFO, FIFO or the FIFO. This was for sales and the purchase. Now we will see for the manufacturing. In the manufacturing order, this will also follow the same rules. So if I go to the manufacturing orders, before doing a manufacturing, let's do a small purchase order first. I'm just going to create one more purchase order. So 8 purchase from the supplier. Now we are going to purchase same set of products, FIFO products, quantity 20, rate is 350. LIFO product, which is in 30, price is 300, and the FIFO product, which has quantity 20, price is 400. Just going to take this purchase inward, again using new lot number scheme. Just validate it inwards. Now let's do some manufacturing using manufacturing orders. We need to create a finished good product using the routing assembly. Take it from stock. Wait for the date of 9. Just confirming production. Okay, now we are going to do some reservation checks if the goods are not there, and we can see here the lot number products as came into the system as per the lot numbers. So to make it more useful, I'm just going to create duplicate of or a new manufacturing order with more quantity. I would say 25 quantities, let's say, for example. Just confirming production. So you can see here all the products came in as per the lot allocations. Now I'm just going to force the reservation, starting the production. This is all default OpenERP flow. We have just changed in the product consumable part, which will come as per the lot number scheme. So once we produce it, here we can also create a new lot number for the produced products, or we can use any existing lot number. So we have just created this production lot for 25 quantity. Confirm the production. This production is now over. We are going to do one more production order for some different quantities. Produce same products, but this time it's only 10. Now if I go to the stock, just selected the location, just confirming the production, and here we can also see the quantity as per supply method or the stock control method. Force the reservation, starting the production, producing the order, again creating one more new lot number, confirming the order. Now we again go back to the product section and see the stock register for the finished product as well this time. You can see here this product has been inward, outward, all the issues and receipt of the product. For the finished product, we have this receipt from this lot number and this lot number, along with the rate. This rate is been calculated automatically based on the cost of product. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this rate of product is come based on our assembly rate along with the cost of a product that has been used into the production. This rate is calculated automatically for each cycle or each production cycle. Now we are going to sell some of this finished product to see the GP. Create one more sale order. This date, selling to one of our customer, finished product. Going to sell 30 products at the rate of 1,200. Just confirming the order. Going to delivery orders. Going to check the availability, which is obviously there. When we are going to process, it will be in two parts now. But one was from this lot number, the second was from fifth. Now when we configure this product, you might have seen this product will go out using the FIFO method. So the lot number process or the lot number is based on the FIFO method. You just validate it. So order has been packed. Now if you want to see more detailed reports, we can go to the reporting section. We have made this special report called stock valuation report. Now this report will give you an overview by date or a date time for all the stock movements. So we are going to take it as the date time. We can either select the products for which we need to have the stocking movement or valuation, or we can select all the products. So I'm just going to add products that we wish to stock controlling under. Select it. I'm just going to print it. You can see here, this is a kind of detailed report at what time which products came in, what was the lot number, what was the location at which time and a date, what's the balance at a specific time or date in a system. So you can have this kind of detailed report for receipt, issue and a balance. And this works with each lot number wise. We can have this reporting for each product. I hope you came to know very much about this module. I would like to ask if there is any questions from your side, any participants have any questions. Yes, I can see someone raising a hand. Can you please type in your question in a chat window so everyone can see it? Okay. Okay. We will also going to upload this session on our YouTube channel. So if you have missed something, you can surely go through it once again. The entire session will be there on a YouTube. Any other questions from anyone? Thanks. I can see some really nice comments and compliments. You don't need to install any specific modules or to configure a product, you don't need to install any specific module. If all this configuration and everything comes with this our module, so it's inbuilt functionality that we can use. As I said, these costing methods are added using our module, not by default OpenERP product configuration or not by other modules. Yeah, it's our own module, we can say it, and we are soon going to propose it in the default add-ons. I hope it will get accepted. It will be soon open source. Yes, it's an open source and it will soon be going to open source. We are still working on some of the parts and we're soon going to release this module in OpenERP launchpad, I would say, on a launchpad. Any other questions? I would like to thank you everyone from the entire VNC team. We are not only in India but we are also in Europe and Switzerland. So thanks from all VNC team across the globe. Thanks everyone for joining the session. Thanks everyone for joining the session. Hope to see you soon in next webinar series. Thanks. Bye-bye. Have a nice day everyone. Thanks. Bye-bye.